Web3, the Metaverse, blockchain, Bitcoin, NFTs, what does it all mean? If you don't have a clue, I wrote this book for you, because I didn't either. This stuff was all completely foreign to me, and I wanted to understand it better. I've been in technology for 20 years, and I've never seen more buzzwords, crazy terms, and things that made no sense whatsoever. So I boiled down a ton of research and put it into this book in 20 concise chapters. In fact, in just a sentence, I explain some of these terms, and in less than 2 pages, most of the time, I'll give you great, clear-cut examples of what it means, how it relates to the world. Is all of this going to go anywhere? Who knows, but most likely it's here to stay. So if you're interested in learning what all these terms mean, pick this book up for less than the price of a cup of coffee, actually. And every dollar of profit goes to support tech education for underrepresented groups. So you'll be helping there too.